Okay, so everybody is probably going to know that the default master passcode to get into the Benjilock without having to have a finger recognize is default to 1111. If you press that in, it's going to open. So one thing you're going to want to do is change that to something that is something you'll remember and not something that somebody can come up to and enter in the default code just because you hadn't changed it and now you got more trouble on your hands. So the new code that you can put in can be from 3 to 8 digits. What we're going to do for this one is just, instead of making it 1111, I'm just going to make it 2222. And what we're going to do is you'll use your master finger, press and hold. Once the shackle opens, don't lift your finger. Keep your finger on the button. You'll see the LEDs start to spin. And once they do, on the back, I'm going to put in 2222. If we get a blue light, that means that it accepted the code. If we get a red light, that means that something messed up and we got to try again. So let's see if we get it on the first try. Alright, put my master finger open, not lifting until they start rotating. Now they're rotating. I'm going to go 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, we got a blue light. Now let's see if 1, 1, well, went back to sleep on me. Alright, so let's see 1, 1, 1, 1. It's not work. How about 2, 2, 2, 2? There you go. That's how you change the backup passcode on the Benjilock.